Phrasal verb. Put away. Phrasal verbs are very common in English, especially in more informal contexts. They are made up of a verb and a particle, or, sometimes, two particles. The particle often changes the meaning of the verb. Return something to its usual place.
Husband and wife talking.
I am planning to teach one good habit to the kids every day.
That's a great idea. You can start with telling the kids to put away their toys before bedtime.
Sent to prison or a mental hospital.
Two friends talking.
Were you there at Samantha's party?
Yes, I was, and I regret attending it.
Me too.
What was wrong with her? Why was she rude with her guests?
That woman's crazy. She should be put away in a mental hospital.
C. Save up money.
Mother-in-law and daughter-in-law talking.
I am planning to go on a vacation with friends.
You should consider putting away some money for your children each month.
Well, let me remind you that I am a responsible mother and I have already planned for my children's future.
Consume food or drink quickly or in large quantities. Informal.
Two friends talking.
I went to the pub with Emily last night. That girl can really put her beer away.
Well, I know how much she loves drinking.
E. Score a goal. Informal.
Two friends talking.
Ronaldo skinned the keeper and put it away in the 91st minute. What a goal.
That is why he is world's #1 player.